So the procedure for IBM, the cutoff was 6.5, which eliminated a lot of people because most of the people who were below 6.5 wanted to sit for it. And then there were still 150 people sat and 25 got selected in the end. They had a technical, written round. Written round mein there were 3 different sections, I guess 4 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, aise karke. And they also had like a letter writing section. Like they'll give you a very technical paragraph describing some product, and then you have to send a business email describing what it is, and try to sell the product like that. So which I kind of screwed up, but whatever. So yeah, after that I think they took the sectional cutoffs, and then around 30 people got selected after the written, and then we had GD. GD, I got lucky because I shouldn't be saying this, but my group members were a bit weak. So yeah, that was pretty easy, and they only eliminated I think 6 people from GD, so 24 were left. And yeah, interview was taken simultaneously. I say 4 people were taking, and then I got this Bengali guy, and so he just took my CV and he took all my results also, jo written ke likhe the. Then he started picking out like one thing after the other, to hobbies kya hai and all that. And I was like, I like reading, like what do you read? And then I was reading like this kind of arty-farty book at that time, so I said about it and stuff. And then after that, like he was like, where are you from, this, that and stuff. And so I'm in civil, right? So he's like, why do you want to join? You're in civil and we're an IT company. So I was like, I'm not really fascinated by my branch at this moment. Like I feel that there is much more to be taken from IT these days. I mean, India runs on IT, like that kind of stuff, And then so I basically just try to convince him that I'm really serious about this. Like, because I wouldn't be here after this, I don't get to sit for any other company, like just please take me, like that. So yeah, he was like, yeah, okay and stuff. And then he was like, see, you have problem understanding questions, as I can see from your essay written and all, like your letter writing section wasn't good and stuff. So I was like, oh, okay, like that, yeah, sorry and stuff. And then he was like, at IBM we give like a lot of lot of support on learning new things and all. You have lots of classroom sessions, so you should make good use of it. So I was like, do you, like, I'm thinking like, so does this mean I'm in, like, because you're telling me to, like, then so like, I'd watched this thing on, and yeah, I remember Sakshi Boss came to me and she was like, so did I get in? She asked like that in the end, so I was trying the same thing, like, so does this mean I got in or something? Then he was like, no, you'll have to wait for a bit longer and stuff. And then yeah, so the results came out, and only 2 people got eliminated from the interview. Everybody was in. Attempt all the sections in the written, because they don't have negative marking, and they check for sectional cutoffs. And when you go for the GD, just speak as much as you can, and GD topics won't be difficult. Like mine was hard work versus smart work, and I was the only one supporting hard work, so everybody was just firing at me. And interview mein, just be very honest and try to win them over.